Here's how to convert a step 3D model into a simple parts navigation application in a 3D PDF. Let's start with a simple step model of a caster wheel created from Solidworks. Here you can see it has various individual parts and overall assembly structure. First, for our PartList application, we can open Microsoft Word and set up a drawing page and edit this from a template to edit some text and add text box or any other annotations we want on the page and position things for the output PDF. So here, once we get the editing and the positioning set up, we can export this as a PDF directly from Microsoft Word just by simply saying Save As to a PDF file type. Once that's saved, it can be opened and we can just check out that all our edits got saved in the correct place. Then next, start PDF3D ReportGen as a conversion application. The first step is to load a PartList profile. This sets up all the settings and defaults for our PartList application. Next, drag and drop a step file that we were just looking at earlier, the caster wheel, and we can set the default surface color for the facets to a light blue. Next, for good navigation, we can change the viewing scheme to a CAD type, and then in the top left corner, push the Convert button, which starts the process of generating the 3D PDF using our template design, a PartList profile, and the input step file. Once conversion is completed, we can open the output PDF and see that we've got our same step file model now converted into a 3D PDF view where we can change the views from top, right, side view, front, etc. And each of the parts can be selected directly from the 3D view by clicking on them or by going to the part list shown on the left, where each individual part name can be selected for highlighting in the PDF. In the context view, the selected part is shown highlighted with all the other parts in a background transparency so you can see what's inside the main assembly. This has been created with PDF3D ReportGen and can load just about any CAD model. For more information, see PDF3D.com.